In mid-April, the Prague Letňany exhibition centre became the host of engineering technologies trade fairs. It was the first time when the ABF Trade Fair Management, which has been successfully organising trade fairs, exhibitions, congresses and workshops for already 18 years, included in its calendar specialised trade fairs that simultaneously presented the fields of engineering technologies, surface treatment technologies, metallurgy, chemical production, plastic processing, industrial waste management and recycling. The ABF company thus continued the tradition of specialised events that have taken place in the Letňany Exhibition Centre in recent years. The first engineering trade fair for industry for surface took place from 11th to 13th of April 2007, and 220 exhibitors from 13 different countries presented their products here.
Vy nás znáte jako organizátora stavebních veletrhů.
We're known as organisers of building trade fairs. The 18th annual International Building Trade Fair Prague will open its gates symbolically on the 18th of September. However, we are very well aware of the mutual connection of building industry and engineering. The profile of any firm exhibiting at Prague undoubtedly incorporates the field of building maintenance, which directly leads us to engineering technologies.
No a odtud je přímý krok ke strojírenství.
The climax of this Festival of Engineering, as it was entitled by the journalists, was the presenting of prestigious awards to the best exhibits of both trade fairs that took place at the Masaryk College of the Czech Technical University, ABF's long-standing expert partner. We've cooperated with ABF primarily in the field of the building industry. The Prague trade fairs are always an exceptional presentation of building technologies. However, the disciplines are interconnected, as it is almost impossible nowadays to create a smart building without using modern construction components, high-quality materials and communication technologies. From this point of view, we very much welcome the extension of the scope of ABF's activities, as it enables us to involve all of our faculties, not only the Faculty of Architecture or the Faculty of Transportation Sciences, as in the past. The association with experts from the Czech Technical University also helps to raise the prestige of the exhibits at the trade fairs organised by ABF. The certificates presented contribute to the competitiveness of the awarded products and their commercial use. 3 exhibits without ranking were awarded the Industry Trade Fair Grand Prix prizes by the jury, presided over by Stanislav Maňas. The firm Prima Bilavčík was awarded the prize for the 3D multi-sensor coordinate measuring machine ScopeCheck MB800. This machine has ample equipment, such as the patented optical fiber probe, for instance, and it can be used in tool factories and mass production for digitalization and scanning of complex plastic parts. The machine was made by the firm Wert Messtechnik Germany. It uses not only standard measuring devices such as contact and laser scanning probes, but it also uses a camera, especially for optical measurements. The firm CIM Prague was awarded the Grand Prix for its vertical cutting machine Fanuc Robodrill Alpha T21IE, which is primarily designed for the automobile industry. It's mainly distinguished for its versatility, speed, reliability and favourable utility value. Currently, there is a boom in the Czech Republic in the field of metalworking machines, particularly concerning the automobile industry, and the machine is fully up to standards of any customer. The auto-darkening welding helmet Speed Glass, equipped with respiratory filter with motor blower, presented by the firm Tedox SRO, was the 3rd awarded exhibit. It's a high-quality product that considerably increases the work safety of welding, especially protecting the operator's sight and respiratory system. If the welding arc is struck, the helmet automatically darkens in 1 millisecond, and the welding operator is protected from the ultraviolet light and the harmful substances produced by it. The jury of the Four Surface Trade Fair 2007 was presided over by Vladimir Mejta, and it presented 3 winners with the Grand Prix prizes. The prizes were awarded equally without ranking. One of the firms awarded was Alpha Chrome Service SRO for its technology enabling the repairs of defective rollers directly in the machine. It's a modern technology that has a wide use, as it allows for the repairs without dismantling the machine. The technology also brings considerable economic benefits. Our services are very flexible. If the boom of a dredge is scratched by the wires during manipulation, then also the piston rod, which costs tens or even hundreds of thousands of crowns, may be damaged. In such cases, we're able to come directly to the building site and repair it without dismantling the dredge. The firm Atotech Mag CZ was awarded the prize for developing the agents Tridor ZN-H1, Tridor ZN-FE-H1 and Tridor ZN-NI-H1 that are capable of forming black passivating layers without hexavalent chromium. This technology is not harmful to the environment.
Černé pasivační vrstvy byly dříve výhradně na bázi 6valentního chromu. Tento chrom je toxický, může
The black passivating layers used to be exclusively hexavalent chrome based. This type of chrome is toxic and it may even cause cancer and other diseases. Currently there's a tendency to replace such aggressive substances by those that are less harmful or non-toxic at all. Our firm developed trivalent chrome-based black passivating agents that are applied not only on zinc or zinc iron, but also on zinc nickel.
Skutečně pokrok a dokončení této technologie, protože použitím těchto přípravků se uzavírá škála.
The products that we presented here are a great advance and they complete the color range of passivating agents, which ranges from blue to yellow to black.
Dá se říct, že kdo tyto technologie zvolí,
while using these agents, it's no longer necessary to apply substances based on hexavalent chrome. The technology saves costs and does not harm the environment.
A výrazně tím oživí ekologii a zvýší kvalitu životního prostředí.
PRAGUE 1300 was the third awarded exhibit. This water-repellent agent with inhibitory and lubricating effect was presented by the firm PRAGUE Chemaspol SRO. It is a water solution-based substance that forms a chemically bounded nanolayer of organic compounds, which improves the quality of the surface. It's an innovative technology, harmless to the environment and simplifying the manufacturing process. Although this was the first time for this kind of spring engineering trade fairs to take place in the Prague Exhibition Centre, the products were presented not only by domestic exhibitors, but also by companies from Belgium, China, Croatia, Iraq, Italy, Moldavia, Germany, Poland, Austria, Slovakia, the United Arab Emirates and Turkey. It's very important to take part in the Prague exhibition and I'm very happy to be here. Although this exposition is now smaller than the one in Brno, I believe that next year and in the years to come, these exhibitions will become equivalent. We've already sold 22 pieces of sawing machines in 2 days, which is not a small number, I think. The traders as well as professionals from the public had the opportunity to familiarise themselves with a few very recent developments that were presented here for the first time. There was also the chance to take part in special workshops and conferences. The Foreign Trade Day, for instance, gave the Czech experts the chance to meet their counterparts from Russia and Iraq. And because meeting is a vital part of any trade fair event, it also became the title of an exhibition of large-scale photographs that traditionally features the engineering trade fairs in the Letňany Exhibition Centre. From the organisers' point of view, the 4 industry and 4 surface trade fairs should become one of the pillars of the ABF's calendar, and they should develop simultaneously with the whole exhibition centre. Its new concept was presented by ABF shortly before opening of both fairs. Architectural drawings of the new multifunctional area include the long-time development of the exhibition centre as well as the overall layout of the northern terrace of Prague, which may potentially become the host venue of the Olympic Games in the future. The new multifunctional area includes mainly a new exhibition hall on the area of 100,000 square meters and a compound of administration buildings for 20,000 people. Included are also a hotel, an above-ground as well as an underground car park, a ceremonial stadium which could be modified into a national football stadium, and other spaces available for organising exhibitions, 3 sports halls which could be used during the Olympic Games, and a shopping mall which brings with it the customer services, the shopping centre and the high-capacity car parks. After realisation of this project, the Prague Letňany Exhibition Centre will have the right to call itself the Exhibition Centre of Central Europe.